The exhibition showcases a variety of stalls from local manufacturers, providing them with an effective platform to present their products and connect with potential customers. This opportunity significantly enhances business exposure. In addition to this, the event acts as a central hub for numerous automotive companies, allowing them to unveil their offerings. This interaction fosters community engagement and stimulates the automotive market within the Badami Bagh area. One participant underscores their company's commitment to local manufacturing of automotive parts, including imported headlights. This emphasizes the diverse mix of local and international products presented at the exhibition. Situated in Badami Bagh, Pakistan, the firm has developed an efficient trading setup and manufacturing facility. This local production not only promotes operational efficiency but also bolsters the regional economy. The company boasts a comprehensive product range, including components for motorcycles, tractors, and cars, which highlights their robust manufacturing capabilities. In-house production facilitates rigorous quality control. Infinity Trading extends its market reach by exporting products to various countries, including African nations and Dubai. This underscores their commitment to quality and ambition to emerge as a leading manufacturer in the region. The discussion also covers essential motorcycle parts, highlighting electric components and lubricants designed to enhance engine efficiency and performance. Quality remains a focal point throughout the dialogue. Various oil products, including DT oil, MT oil, and specific filters for different vehicles, are showcased, illustrating the company's extensive product range and adherence to high-quality standards. Additionally, packaging options for lubricants and filters are presented, emphasizing customer convenience with a variety of sizes and competitive pricing aimed at attracting more buyers and boosting sales. The expo features interactive games that engage participants, showcasing products in a lively atmosphere while simultaneously drawing attention to local businesses. Several companies are represented, focusing on high-quality products such as lubricants and tractor parts, thereby promoting the capabilities of Pakistan's manufacturing sector. A key participant discusses a free healthcare initiative that provides treatments and medicines throughout Pakistan, spotlighting the significant role charitable foundations play in enhancing community health. Specializing in metal parts, the company asserts a 100% quality standard, with their vast industry experience lending credibility to their claims. The launch of a new product featuring a 660 cubic centimeters engine incorporates advanced safety features like ABS brakes and airbags, showcasing the firm's dedication to innovative design. The vehicle's versatility accommodates both commercial and domestic use, allowing it to reach a broader audience. This adaptability significantly enhances its market potential.